a Europa League spot. He's still got plenty to play for.
Here is Lionel Messi, breaking record after record. The aim for him tonight. The stats at home are pretty impressive as well. 15 wins for Barcelona here in 17 games in La Liga this season. Messi manoeuvres on. Alves. There's a run from Messi. They decide to ignore it. Now Messi clips it brilliantly out of the air, teasing the defenders to foul him and flies it across, but for the end of it.
Every one but his control and turned off. Unbelievable. There's the ball over the top. First touch, left foot, pivots, past the defender, inside. If you touch me, it's a penalty. And then right foot, crosses it across. I'm not sure. I think it's a shot come cross, but what first touch, what a turn on Raul Rodriguez.
Iniesta, scorer of the first goal. Seeking the second, maybe. Villa. Oh, lovely dummy. Excellent football. Oh, par excellence, almost. Oh, what a shame. That was absolutely beautiful to watch, even if it didn't have the gloss finish.
It was silky soccer. I cannot believe David Villa's missed it. Can't believe it's quality interchange of play. This lovely little pass from Messi. And then comes David Villa, and you think he has to score. Never won the trophy they'll have there. They never won the league title.
No free kick given. The referee has been consistent like that. Messi's back on his feet. Chica can't catch him. Messi draws inside. Win tonight, they just need a single point from the last 3 games. Here's Lionel Messi. A wonderful skill. Taken out in full flight, and the defender can do nothing apart from offer an apology.
He knows it's the only way he's going to stop me. Shaped to have a shot, Rob. He committed the defender's bought it, and then he's whizzed past him, and he's had to bring him down.
Iniesta. David Villa. Lionel Messi can't see the pass. That way, goes this way. Iniesta, they can't walk it in, Barcelona.
I can't believe that. David Villa was looking for a tap in. Iniesta squared it. Did a defender get a touch in? I'm not sure. The frustration on his face. And again, unselfish play from Lionel Messi. Trying to find the right angle. Plays the lovely little pass now. It's a defender. Defender gets a touch to stop David Villa having a tap in.
Corner taken on the blind side as Espanyol reunite. Mascherano, Messi, now Pedro. Pedro steadies himself, gets half a shot on.